Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a beautifully landscaped half acre or 22,095 square feet property with a lovely split level house. The lower level consists of a self-contained 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment. The main upper level consists of 4 large bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. There is a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Another large master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and closet. Two other large bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There is a large dining room adjoining the kitchen with an electric range built in with island and a gas stove fitted within the counter. A large central entertainment area with skylight provides you with a bar, lounge chairs, television, and enough space for table games. Enjoy 2 large living rooms, front porch, and a long back patio. Security camera system that is remotely controlled and monitored by the cell phone and is connected to guardsman security system. There is reliable NWC water supply and storage capacity featuring a 10,000 gallon underground tank and 3 black tanks. Some other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, jetted bathtub, main level entry, hot tub, sprinkler system, fully fenced, fully wall, cable, guest house, 24-hour security, view of the mountain, family oriented, private settings, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, road paved, and pets are allowed in this community. The asking price for this house is US $450,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.